Assalamualaikum. In this session, we are going to learn about IDs and classes using CSS. We will also have a look at links and its different states using CSS. I'm going to show you a sample of IDs, classes and links. Here we have two different headings, H1 and H2, and we want to apply different background color. And for that purpose, we will create different IDs. Let's have a look. We have H1 tag and H2 tag, and for both tags we want to apply different CSS, and we have used different IDs. We cannot use same ID to more than one element in the same document. And here we have defined different. Here we use different IDs to apply the CSS. And for paragraphs, we have two paragraphs and we want to apply same style, and for that purpose we have used same class. These are two different paragraphs and we wanted to apply same CSS, so we have used same class name. This one is the class name for paragraph 1 and this one is the class name for paragraph 2, and we have used same class name. But in case of ID, we cannot use same ID name for two elements in the same document. And the third thing is link. We are gonna learn different states of link. If we see the green color, this link with green background color is its normal state, and when the mouse hovers over this link, its color turns into blue. So this one is its hover state, and if I click on it, and for a moment its color turns black. So the moment when I click over this link, it is its active state. Let's into the code. I'm just going to remove all the coding. Just refresh and check. Now we have no CSS. The heading and the paragraphs are without CSS. The first step is to understand the difference between an ID or a class. Let's say ID. IDs are unique identifiers. It means we cannot use same ID for more than one element in the same document. And classes are great classifiers. Class attribute define the same style for elements with the same class name. And the ID name is preceded by hash character. This is a hash character, and if I say ID name, its ID name is ID1. So this one is ID name, and ID name is preceded by a hash character. And in case of class name is preceded by a full stop. This one is the class name, full stop. Let's move ahead and understand how the classes and IDs work. So here we have H1 tag and I want to apply for h1 tag background color blue. I will say id equals to id1, and for h2 id2. This is our style tag. For id, we use hash character and then class name id1. So this is our selector, and I want background color for h1 blue, and text color 21. Similarly, I'm just going to copy and paste this for class 2. We'll make some changes. id2, its background color red, text color should be white. Let's save and refresh. Now here we see two different headings with different background color, and this is how we use IDs. Now we have two paragraphs, and I want to add same CSS to these paragraphs. So paragraph 1 its name is class 1, and for paragraph 2 we are using same class name. All class name is preceded by a full stop. So class 1, background color black, and color should be white. Let's move and refresh. This was our mistake. Now the background color is black for both elements, for both paragraphs. So class attribute is used for same style for elements with the same class name. And the next thing is link. We have a link. Now we have to define an ID for this div because this link is inside the div. ID equals to new, enter outside div. So our ID name is name. Let's define some CSS for hash name anchor. We want to define some width, so I will say width should be 120 pixels, and its background color be gray and text color let's see when refresh. So this is our link. The background color is gray and the text color is blue. The next thing is I want to make a block. I will say display block. And I want to remove the underline. So for underline we use text align. For underline we use text decoration property. Text decoration setting none. Now I want to change the color for background color for this link. Background color should be light blue. Save and refresh. Its background color is light pink and the link have no underline. So this is our normal state. Let's understand what is overstate. This is going to copy. For overstate, we will say colon and here we will write the state for this link. It should be our background color. Victory. It means if the mouse hovers over this link, its color should change. Let's refresh. Now, when the mouse hovers over this link, its background color turns into a gray color. So this one is overstate. Let's understand active state. Copy and paste. Here we will write the active state. So active state is the state when the mouse click over the link. So select background color yellow. Save and refresh. So when I click over this link, its color is yellow. So the moment when its color is yellow, this is its active state. We have another state that is visited state. Visited state background color should be green. Let's see when refresh. Now we see we have already clicked over this link, so its background color is green. It means the user has visited this link. Let's recap. We have learned three different things. First, we have learned IDs. IDs are ID names are preceded by hash character, and IDs are unique identifier. We cannot use same ID for more than one element. And the second thing is class. And class attributes define the same style for elements with the same class name, and class name is preceded by a full stop. And the third thing that we have learned is different states of links. So the first state is normal state or unvisited state, and the second state is active state when the user click over the link, and that moment the state of the link is the active state, and when mouse hovers over the link, this state called over state, and when we have visited the link, and that state is called visited state. If you guys have any questions, just let me know in comment section. And thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.